So I'm just going to talk about the chords, how you play them. So from here, you don't play here. Okay, it's just a sound. So you start playing that pattern 4 times, and then you go and you do these until here, all broken up. This bar and that bar is the same as this bar and that bar. So these two are the same as these two. And then when you get to there, instead of playing these broken patterns, you just play the chords like this. So A minor, which is normally A, C, E, and then you play a C chord here, which is C, E, G. You don't play it like that though. And then your G chord will be G, B, D, and then your E chord would be, it's an E5, but we'll add the G sharp here. Okay, it sounds kind of nice actually. And an E5 would be just playing it without the third. Okay, 1, 3, 5, so it'd be playing it like that. But here's how I would voice it, make it more interesting. So that would be the bass note, the low, that would be the A chord. Then you play the C, which is that. And it sounds kind of neat. And then you play the G. And then you play the E. Okay, with the chord. So the A minor, instead of voicing it like that, A, C, E, you do it E, C, A. E, A, C, like that. And then you can keep more or less the same position. And then you go to the G chord. So you have them the same notes but in a different order. And it's kind of cool when you go down to that low E. Okay? So what that permits you to do is you can do them without having to jump around, like playing them like this. Like that. You play, instead of playing it like that, you play it like this. And just change the A to the G. That's your C chord. And then you go down to a B here and the D there, keeping the G. That gives you your G chord. And then you just move these two up to an E, G sharp with those bass notes I showed you. So then you play. And the G just has a really full sound like that. Okay? So that's all you have to do there. A, C, G, E, and then it repeats. Those chords that I just played. A, C, E, G, and then you finish with an A. Or with the... That A sus2 it means that you're playing that B. Because that's how it continues there. Like in the beginning. So I'm going to play it for you real slow, okay? And so I'm going to do that 4 times so that you can see that I'm going. So it's only the last time do I play that C. 3 more times the same. 2 more times. The last time, and then the last time. Then you get to here. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th bars is, so the 5th bar is the same as the 7th bar here. 7th and 8th is the same as the 5th and 6th. So here you're doing it, you're fluctuating. So you're going C, C, and then here, last 3 times. And then there, 2 times like over there. And then here. Then you come to the chords. And you do it twice. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to play it now. So you see, even I make mistakes. So I'm going to play it from the beginning. So you don't have to necessarily add the left hand. If you want to try it for fun, you can do that, but I won't require it. I'll maybe get some bonus points if you do it, but basically it just sounds more interesting if you do it like that. So here I go. Two more times. That way. Last time. Now bar 5 and 6. twice at the end, and then it's bar 7 and 8, and then 3 times. Then the chord. Then, and then E. And then you can try to play with that. It makes it really interesting. Voila, there's a tutorial. If you hope you saw where the fingers were. Good luck with that.